My name is Bryce, and today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to use your push button start and a couple tips and tricks. So of course, with these proximity keys, they just have to be in your purse, in your pocket, somewhere on your person. You come up to the vehicle with this Jeep Compass. It's a button here, you press it, it'll lock. Some vehicles are little lines up there, you would just tap that, it would lock. Again, with this one here, you just unlock by putting your hand in there. Again, some of the older technology ones that we still see today, you have to press the button as well to unlock. If you're about 5 steps back and someone tries to do it, it actually won't work. So you have to be fairly close, so you don't have to worry about someone getting in your vehicle and driving away. One of my favorite things about this is you cannot lock your keys in your vehicle. So as soon as you close the door, keys are in there, you press it, it knows not to lock. So you'll never have that problem. Another favorite for me is that if you've lost your keys, you don't know where they are, the doors are unlocked, go in your vehicle, try to start it. If it starts, the keys are somewhere in the vehicle. So if you come around here, to start any push button start vehicle, basically all you really have to do, put your foot on the brake, hit the button. To start it, just as simple as that. To turn it off, a little bit more simple, just hit the button. And that concludes the quick tips and tricks of how to use your push button start. Thanks for watching.